Oh.
It's like army rated. Alright. Good?
Yep, right there.
Alright, cool. Ahora sí, mijo, you may want to step outside, okay? Very good. If I did a good job, that's it. No. If I did a good job right now, okay, I should be able to get rid of the clamp, and it should stay. What I did is I just did little welds. There's a certain word, I can't think of it, in each corner, and it basically keeps it. Makes sense? So that's not the complete weld, but that's step 8. When you do a weld, you want to make sure that you and definitely always keep it clean. Check this side out over here. Bring the camera. Let me show you something. They're not the best welds, but you see that in a circular motion?
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably my semi-best one. This one came out a little cruddy, has a little hole. But usually when you weld, you go in circles, like that. That's kind of a decent one. You can see the little circles, okay? So, and I'm telling you, I haven't really welded since high school, so I'm more of a farmer, freaking welder. Okay, put it back. Okay. Do the next step. Okay. All right, go outside. Pick up. Came up in a little half butt. don't look at it. Were you looking at it all the time? Sorry. Don't ever look at it. No, it's for your eyes, mijo. I'm wearing like crazy gear. Be very, very careful. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Yeah, you're not supposed to look at it. Huh? No, I'm so sorry. That's on me, mijo. Yeah, don't. The good thing is you were far, but still, like you're never supposed to look at it. Come and check it out so you can see the difference between basically the professional one and mine.